Hola clase, buenos días. Hoy es miércoles de música, el 26 de agosto de 2020. Hoy vamos a escuchar una canción en español y mirar unas presentaciones de nuestros compañeros de clase y escribir apuntes en los cuadernos. So today we're going to listen to a song in Spanish and look at some of our classmates' presentations, their ¿Quién soy yo presentations, and take some notes about them in our notebooks. Primero, la canción Dímelo de Enrique Iglesias. All we're going to do today is listen to the song, escuchen la canción, y busquen palabras y frases que puedan comprender. And you're just going to listen and look for words and phrases that you can understand. That's all. We're not going to try anything. So sometimes I'll have you do an activity with it, sometimes I won't. But this video here actually has the lyrics that you can follow along with and see them as you hear them. And so you will understand some words and phrases here and there. But the song translates to dímelo as tell me it, or say it to me. So dime without the lo means it. Dime is tell me. So that's a phrase that's super common in Spanish. And di comes from the verb dice, and you hear that a lot in Spanish. Le dice, he says to him or her. So di is the shortened command. Di, say or tell. So dime, tell me. Dímelo, tell me it, or say it to me. So enjoy your song. Okay, hoy, el trabajo en el cuaderno. So today we're going to be doing some notebook work. First, you're going to be watching the links to the Personas Especiales. So we're going to be watching different presentations of students that I'm just kind of pulling out that have good examples of some decent Spanish that you guys should be able to understand. So these are the screencasts of your classmates that they have turned in, that you guys did your own slideshows, and then just like I'm doing now with this little video or voiceover, that's what you should have turned in. If you have not yet, then you are behind, so you need to do that from yesterday. But for today, you're going to watch at least 2 of the videos. You can watch all 3, but you're going to create a Venn diagram. So the Venn diagram here are those like circles, like 2 circles, and they overlap. And in the middle is what you have in common, and then on the sides, one is about you and one is about the other special person, persona especial. So you're going to be watching your classmates' videos and comparing them and contrasting them with yourself, your own likes, maybe where you live, stuff about your family or friends, people that you admire, your talents and hobbies, stuff like that. You're going to be writing 15 items in English on your Venn diagram so that I know that you understand what you read and hear. You're not turning this in. You're keeping it in your notebook, and we're going to be doing a notebook activity each day the rest of the week. And on Friday, I'm going to choose one for you to turn in. So they all need to be done and ready, and we're going to be doing more with them in the future as well. So, ¿Quién soy yo? Sobre mi presentaciones. So you're going to watch some of your classmates. I have recorded 3 that I chose as good examples. So miren las presentaciones de unos compañeros de clase. So here's the link to watch those. And then again, this is just kind of an enlarged version of what you should be putting in your notebook. You're going to do 2 Venn diagrams. You're going to copy this twice. So first you'll put the name of one of the people that you choose. Again, there's 3 examples. Feel free to do all of them, but I really just need 2. And I gave 3 instead of 2 because for the people whose presentations that I'm showing, they aren't going to write about themselves because they can't compare themselves to themselves. So again, these don't have to be full sentences, but they do need to be words and phrases in English. So over here, you're listing things that you do not have in common with the special person. Over here, so that's your classmate whose video you watch. Over here, you're going to list things that they differ from you, so things that are about you that are not in common with them. And in the middle, you're going to list things in English that you have in common with that special person. And if you think you have nothing in common, you have something, either age or grade, or maybe have certain people in your family, or you're going to find something that's in common. But this is 15 total, so maybe about 5 in here, 5 in here, 5 in here. So all of that is done in English. Don't forget to do it twice, so that's why I have it on here twice. And just some reminders, make sure that you have joined my Quizlet classroom. Last week we had review vocab on Quizlet that will help you with all of the things that we're doing this week as well as last week. We had Flipgrid videos that you were supposed to have uploaded last week as like an introduction to the class, introducing yourself in Spanish. Oops. And if you have not yet filled out my Google info form, please do. And our e-learning procedures are here. So if you have any questions, just let me know, but make sure you get that down in your notebook and send me an email or Google Hangout if you have any preguntas. Adios.